Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can get returns and refunds for your items on Temu. So let's get right into it. Now, to get a refund, you are going to need to initiate a return and a refund. To do this, you need to go into your orders and go into delivered and go ahead and click on whichever one you want and click on return and refund. Once you do, you're going to need to do a couple different things. You need to initiate a return of the existing order, and then almost all items are eligible within 90 days of the purchase date, and the exceptions are for items that can be returned, such as clothing items that have been worn, washed, damaged after delivery, or have had their tags or hygiene stickers removed, grocery and food products, health and personal care items, free gifts, some customized products, and underwear orders. And the return window for products of most electronics is 45 to 90 days of the date of purchase, depending on the seller. Now, once you initiate the return, you will need to, of course, mail it back to the originating point of origin of the item. You will be giving the instructions once you initiate the return, so just follow all of that. And when you receive the wrong item, you can just, as I mentioned, return and refund and confirm that you have received the package. Select the reason of return, and then you can confirm the information, click next, and then you just need to return it pretty much. And if you don't need to return the items, the final step is to select the refund method. If you received the wrong item and you don't need to return it, that's pretty much it. But for all other, you need to follow the return instructions as per the vendor that sold you. Then once you do that, you just need to wait for your refund to get to you. Your refund will automatically be given to you with your desired method of refunding in 5 to 14 business days, or whenever a quality inspection has been finished. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Now, this tutorial might have been a bit over the place, but it's pretty much very easy to figure out. You can use the FAQ as I have if you want to as well, and that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.